The other day I did an art and I liked it so much I'm going to do it bigger and better. Yes, hello. So if you haven't seen, the other day with my daughter we made this, and you can hang it whichever way you want. I quite like it like that actually. And I made it for a YouTube short and also put it at the beginning of another video, which is creative ideas that you can do at home, especially in the summer holidays with the kids. So I liked it so much, I'm actually going to do it again. Let me show you the canvas I've chosen. It's a bit bigger. Yes, it's that big, it's massive. I'm going to do it slightly differently. So let's just get on with it, shall we? Ah! It's got a little bit of damage there, but I don't think that'll be a problem, because all the crayons will be up there. It'll all drip down this way. I'm not going to use glue this time. I'm going to use this very strong double-sided sticky tape, and we'll go there and there somewhere. And so there should be no chance of them falling off. So let's put some of that on. So, what do you think? I'm really pleased with that. I'll put it in the centre of the sofa. Really pleased. Looks really nice. What do you think? No? Nonplussed? The colours I think are fantastic. And I hung it up the other way round to start with, and it didn't really work. The colours are brilliant. I do feel as if there's something slightly missing. Maybe the paint didn't go far enough down the canvas. But close up you can see the splats all the way down it, which I think is pretty cool. It looks a bit like fireworks. Yeah, I love it. Brilliant. So have a go yourself. YouTube will recommend another video to you in a moment. In its wisdom that they think you'll enjoy, I think you'll enjoy it too. But until the next one, I'll see you again. Goodbye.